How to track your order in AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can track order on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that you have the AliExpress app and make sure that you have updated it to its latest version. After doing that, you can open the app up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, after you've opened up your AliExpress, head over to the account section on the bottom right. After you do that, to check your orders, you will need to head over to My Order section that is on the top. So right there, you will see different sections such as to pay, to ship, shipped, to review, and returns. You can tap on the View All option right here. Tap on it, tap on the View All option, and after you tap on it, you will be able to view all of the products that you have bought. So you can tap on to pay, to ship, shipped. You can even check your refunds, and on review. You can track all of your orders in this way. You can see which products have been shipped already, which products have are just ready to be shipped, which have already been processed. And yeah, that's basically how you track an order on AliExpress. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.